Hello everyone, how y'all doing today? I hope y'all are having a blessed day on today. Today we are making I decided to share with you all this, my collard greens. I'm making some collard greens and neck bones. Or you can say neck bone and collard greens. Y'all see right here, I have already started my neck bones. I have rinsed them off. And like I told you, you can put salt and stuff and rinse them off, But anyway, yeah, I have done all of that. And now, what I'm doing, I'm letting these begin to boil. I just covered them with water. Just cover them with water. And put a little salt and a little pepper. You know how much salt you want in there, and you know how much pepper you want. And I also cut up two jalapeno peppers. Two of them. Jalapeno peppers, y'all. Mine is going to be very spicy, but you do not have to do that. Okay, I didn't put any onions or collard greens. I'm getting ready to cut these. I'm going to cut these up, and I may show y'all a few of me cutting them up. Okay, y'all. Well, let's get to making our pork neck bones and collard greens. Okay, y'all, here are my collard greens. Some I have started. Y'all noticed I have took off the stem. I don't take all the stems off of mine. Some people does. Some people, take the stems all the way off. They take some off. I don't do that. I don't do that. I leave some on because I heard that they are healthy for you. And so I decided not to take all of that off. Some people go all the way up there. They just pulls them off. No, just take them off. Y'all, I'm doing this with one hand. I'm trying to show y'all how to do it. But you just keep pulling that off until you no longer have that stem inside there. So, but anyway, that's what I'm going to do. But this is how I do mine. I just break them off there. No, like that. I just break them off. Okay. Well, I'm getting ready to do all my greens like that. Y'all can see my pork neck bones are boiling. I'm going to let those continue to boil. I got them on like medium high. And I'm going to finish doing this, cutting them up. And I'm going to be right back. Okay, here is my bowl. I guess y'all see I got a little water in here. All you do, this is how I wash my greens. Okay. You just wash them. Just rinse them off. That's all you're doing. Just make sure they're rinsed off very good. Sometimes you have to do this maybe 3 or 4 times. And after you get through rinsing these off, just take them out, rinse, wash them off just like this. And then just put it in another bowl. Okay? That's the way you do it. That's the way I do mine. Okay? I'm going to finish rinsing these greens off. Okay, here I am getting ready to add my collard greens to my neck bones. That's all you do, just add them to them. Add it to the pot. Okay. Add them to them. Y'all, I'm washing them a little at a time because my pot isn't so big. So I'm just doing a few at a time. Okay, we're going to let these start boiling. Then I'm going to add some more. These got to cook down, okay? Okay, this is what I'm trying to explain to y'all. Make sure my camera is focused. Okay, y'all see this stem right here? Some people, they'll get their fingers and just pull this part off. But I don't. I keep it because I heard that it's healthy for you. So I just keep mine in. Y'all just keep that stem in there because I heard that it was healthy. So, but some people take theirs out. It's up to you. And just leave this leaf part, But this is the way I do mine. Okay. You break that end off. They have that little end. Just cut them. Go all the way down. Okay, there you go. Okay, you cut them. Bunch them together. Remember, you're going to have both your hands. And you just hold them like this and just cut them all the way down like that. That's the way I do mine. Okay, I'm getting ready to wash these, and I'm going to add those to my greens also. Okay. Okay, y'all, I am back. This is my last bunch of greens that I'm getting ready to add to my pot. And some of y'all may ask, how long did I let my neck bones cook before I added the greens? I let them cook maybe 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes before I start adding my greens. So that's what I did. And so I'm getting ready to add my last bunch of greens here. Getting ready to add the last of them. Am I too close, y'all? Let me get back some. Okay, y'all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the rest of my greens in here, and I'm going to let these cook for maybe 45 minutes to an hour. It all depends. I will let y'all know exactly how long I let mine finish cooking. It all depends on you and the way you like your greens. Some people like their greens not all the way cooked. They like theirs brightly green. And some people don't. Some of them want them tender. And so it all depends on you and how you like your greens, okay? It all depends on you. Okay, y'all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my lid on here, like I say, and I'm going to come back time to time and check and stir them up to make sure they're all well stirred, okay? And so I'm going to let these cook, like I said, maybe 45 minutes, but I will let y'all know, okay? Okay, y'all, my timer just went off, and so let's check this. I've been checking these time to time to see and to stir them to see if they're ready. So they have been cooking for 45 minutes, and I'm turning my timer off. Let me turn this off. Okay, so let me see. This is the way you do it. Let me move it back. This is the way you do. To find out if they're like you want them, you must taste. Well, some people like theirs, don't like theirs, like tough. If you like yours tender, just let them cook. Check them every 5 minutes and to make sure if they're ready. I already know mine are ready. This is how long I cook mine, 45 minutes to an hour. But it's up to you. Well, y'all, I'm getting ready to bowl up. I'm going to show y'all how they look. Let me find something. Okay. Here they are. And let me show y'all the neck bones. Okay. This is the way I do mine. See, the thing about it, if you like your neck bones super tender, let yours cook. Let yours cook about 45 minutes before you start adding the greens. You know, some people like theirs, but this is the way I like mine. I don't like mine falling off the bone. They're done, but they're just not falling off the bone. See, it's the way I like mine. But like I said, if you want yours more tender, see how these are? This is the way I like mine. I let mine cook like 25 minutes before I start adding my greens. Then I start adding my greens, then let those cook for however long you want them to cook. I let mine cook like 45 minutes to an hour. I let it cook for maybe an hour and 25 minutes altogether. But it all depends on you, okay? It all depends on how you like yours. But like I say, if you want yours tender, your pork neck bones tender, you cook them for like 45 minutes. Because remember, they're going to continue to cook when you add your greens. A few in a bowl and sit down and enjoy them. This is my meat and vegetable all together. Sometimes I don't eat the pork neck long bones, but my family does. Trying to make it clear for y'all. Okay, I'm going to add this to the bowl. I don't have any cornbread with mine, y'all. I may cook them some cornbread, but I don't have any with mine. Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay, y'all. I'm back. I just decided to share with you all my results of the greens. When the greens get almost done, or some people do it when they're completely done, if you make sure you taste your food to make sure it has enough salt in it, or to make sure they are well seasoned. Okay, y'all, here's my neck bones and collard greens. And you do not have to use the collard greens. You can also use the turnip greens or the mustard greens. Okay, I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Don't y'all forget to hit the notification bell so y'all can receive all my videos each time I put one up. Okay, I want y'all to like and subscribe. And y'all, I am so grateful for you all. And I'm just going to tell y'all just have a blessed day. Have a blessed day. And bye-bye for now.